Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Naseem. Currently, I am an employment specialist with Catholic Charity. I have been taking the data science postgraduate program with Henry Harvin for the past 2 months. Uh, it has been a really good experience, really happy with the curriculum, especially Suchita ma'am, our instructor, has been really outstanding with patience in the teaching methods that she is following. Really happy with that and looking forward in the future to find a data analyst role. And I believe that that I can do with especially with these people, their management, their patience, and their supporting is an outstanding. I'm really happy to be a student of them, and Suchita ma'am has been really outstanding. Thank you so much for being nice to all the students, supporting them, pushing them to learn something, especially when it comes to assignment and all these things. So thank you so much for all the good things that you guys do. Thank you.